it's me, Nama. I hope you all are safe and sound. I've developed a new hobby, which is gardening. This is my garden, my mini balcony garden. I would like to share things about my garden today. Few months ago, we have bought the soil, compost, seeds of flowers and vegetables. So, they grew out so well. So, I would like to share it with you and how many days or months before we planted. So friends, I would like to share my flowering plants. This is African Marigold. We grew this 3 weeks ago. Ice flower. We grew this 1 week ago. French Marigold. We planted this 5 weeks ago. So it grew many leaves. This is sunflower dwarf. We are going to get small sunflowers for this later. So, we have planted this 5 weeks ago. As well as this 5 weeks ago. This is cornflower. Our potato plant we grew with the fruit of it. So, we grew this one and a half months ago. This is lettuce. We grew this 3 weeks ago. This is coriander. As you see here now, it already grew small coriander leaves. You have to wait for more time for it to grow more coriander seeds. This one is spinach. We grew this 5 weeks ago. Cucumber. Hey, see this small little cucumber seedling. So we grew this 1 week ago. This is French beans. We grew this 3 weeks ago. Raddish. This is raddish. We grew this 1.5 months ago. This one is bitter gourd. We grew this recently. And this one is 1 week ago. This is corn. We grew this 5 weeks ago. These are money plants. We grew this 1.5 months ago. This one is garlic. we also grow this for 1.5 months ago, is basil or Tulasi. Onion. We also kept the fruit of onion inside this, and this is how it grew. This is 5 weeks ago. Chilli. This one we grew 5 weeks ago. This is ladyfinger. I hope you liked my mini balcony garden. I will make another video when they grow flowers and vegetables. Thank you for watching my video. Friends, please subscribe my channel and please click that notification bell to get more updates when I make new videos. Thank you.